Installed on tens of thousands of machines, with thousands of customers around the globe, EC Water technology has become the standard in detergent-free floor cleaning. Tennant Company has now improved this technology to perform even better than before. The next generation has arrived, EC Water NanoClean Technology. Traditional floor scrubbers clean through three mechanisms on the floor: hydration by the water being deposited, the mechanical scrubbing action of the brushes or pads, as well as the cleaning effects of any detergent added to the solution. Scrubbers equipped with EC Water NanoClean technology still leverage the power of hydration and mechanical action, but instead of an added detergent, rely on electrically converted water to promote the cleaning power of the solution. This cleaning solution is created by applying a strong electric charge to the water as it passes through toward the scrub head. The solution now contains billions of very tiny microscopic bubbles, known as nanobubbles. Working with university scientists around the world, Tennant Company has established that it is these super tiny nanobubbles that provide the cleaning power in EC water by interacting with soils to ensure they are removed and carried away. With its introduction, EC Water NanoClean will perform even better on the daily soils EC Water has always been effective cleaning, and will also be significantly more effective on a wider range of challenging soils like food greases, road salts, and more. EC Water NanoClean equipped floor scrubbers can significantly reduce the water consumption for floor cleaning, which not only means using less water, but also means being able to clean up to 3 times longer before a trip to the custodial closet to dump and refill the machine, therefore providing significant improvements in productivity. This industry innovation delivers a solution that can reduce costs, increase safety, and deliver outstanding results, all within an environmentally sustainable package. That is why Tennant Company invites you to put EC Water NanoClean to the test in your facility.